Hello everyone, good morning. Hope you all are well. You know, this is our group presentation and I am the first person of our group. My name is Jessica Marian Rosario and our presentation topic is Fundamental and Technical Analysis of Telecommunication Industry of Bangladesh. So let's start the content of this presentation. Moving on next. The concepts of these presentations are background of Bangladesh, fundamental analysis, economic analysis, industrial analysis, company analysis, and technical analysis. And also we will discuss about recommendation. Moving on next. So now I am discussing about the background of Bangladesh. The Republic of Bangladesh is a country in South Asia. It is the 8th most populous country in the world, with a population exceeding 163 million people in an area of 148,560 square kilometers, making it one of the most densely populated countries in the world. The population density of Bangladesh in 2000 was near 1,150 people per square kilometer. GDP US dollar 380 billion, GDP growth rate 7.9% and inflation rate 5.65%. Moving on next. So, now I am discuss about fundamental analysis. What is fundamental analysis? An investor who would like to be rational and scientific in his investment activities has to evaluate a lot of information about the past performance and the accepted future performance of companies, industries, and the economy as a whole before taking the investment decision. Such evaluation or analysis is called fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis has three pillars. First, economic analysis, industrial analysis, and company analysis. Moving on next. So let's know about economic analysis of Bangladesh. The economy of Bangladesh is a developing market economy. Bangladesh is one of the world's fastest growing economy and one of the fastest growing middle income countries. According to the IMF, its per capita income was US dollar 1,960 in 2019. The country has seen exports soar by an average annual rate of 15 to 17% in recent years to reach a record US dollar 36.7 billion in the year through June. They are on track to meet the government goal of US dollar 39 billion of 2019. And the Prime Minister of Bangladesh, Sheikh Hasina, has urged industry to hit US dollar 50 billion worth by 2021 to mark the 5th anniversary of what Bangladesh call their liberation war. So now let's
Start.
see these two graphs. In the left graph, we can see Bangladesh GDP per capita is increasing day by day in rapid growth. We can also see in 2000, Bangladesh per capita was so low, but now its per capita is almost $150. And in the next graph, we can see Bangladesh is the leader in South Asian GDP growth. In fact, among India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, Bangladesh is the head all of them. So This is all. The next topic we'll discuss about my another group member, Tanvir. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Rahanur Rahman Tanvir. As today our presentation topic is fundamental and technical analysis of telecommunication industry of Bangladesh. I will continue from where my previous group member stopped. So I will start the point. Industry analysis. The country's march towards materializing its vision digital Bangladesh has brought impressive growth in the telecommunication sector. In 2019, smartphone market in Bangladesh grew 45% year on year due to the advent of locally manufactured devices. Bangladesh is now the eighth largest mobile market in the world. In terms of unique subscribers, and the sector now contributes almost 1.8% of total GDP. The biggest consumer of smartphones are in the Asia, with over 732 million units bought last year. Let's see the graph. Here, mobile subscriber dynamic in Bangladesh increase day by day and GDP growth rate also increasing. Next slide. Company analysis. We have 5 companies: Samsung, Apple, OnePlus, Xiaomi, and Motorola. Samsung. In 2021, Samsung is the top number of mobile brand in the world. It is founded in South Korea and now it's become the leading point and pioneer of other brand, which plays a great role in the GDP. Apple. Apple iPhone is the brand of United States, which is now in the top position of mobile brand of the people who want to lead an expensive luxurious lifestyle. OnePlus. OnePlus is the smartphone brand of China. Nowadays, OnePlus is producing extreme smartphones with high end and long-lasting build quality. Xiaomi. Xiaomi is the brand of China, which is consumer electronics and smart manufacturing company with smartphones and hardware connected by a lot platform at its core. Motorola. Motorola is the brand of United States. This brand has got some real successful reputation for their affordable price and high touch functioning feature. Next slide will continue another group member.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Oindrula. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to present my slide. In this slide, I'm going to discuss about what is technical analysis. So, what is technical analysis? Technical analysis is an analysis methodology for forecasting the direction of process through the study of past market data, primarily price and volume. In our previous slide, Tanvir already discussed about the 5 companies, which is Apple, Motorola, Samsung, Xiaomi, and OnePlus. If we analyze these 5 companies technically, we can see share price,
Start.
we can see number of shares, sales price, stock price movement in 52 weeks, and market capital. So in this slide, we can see 2 companies, which is Apple and Motorola. So if we see Apple company, we can see their share price, which is number of shares, which is around 16.97 billion, and their sales price per year is 217 million, and their market capital is 2.47 trillion. But if we see the stock price movement between 52 weeks, we can see 103 to 151. But if we see Motorola, we can see their number of share is around 17,000 and their sales price per year is 12 million, which is good, and their market capital is dual than Apple, which is around $40 billion. But if we see the stock price movement between 52 weeks, we can see Motorola is quite ahead from Apple, which is around 149 to $241. Please move to the next slide. In this slide, we can see Samsung and their number of shares, which is around 47 billion. And if we see the number sales price per year, which is quite good, which is around 321 million units, which is quite good, and their market capital is around 436 billion, which is good. But if we see the stock price movement between 52 weeks, we can see around 240. Sorry for my inconvenience. If we see stock price movement in between 52 weeks, we can see 1400 to 2400. Please move to the next slide. In this slide, we can see two companies, which is Xiaomi and OnePlus. If we compare between Xiaomi and OnePlus, we can see the number of share is same, which is around 17,000. But the sales price per year of Xiaomi is 119 million, which is quite good if we compare to OnePlus. And sales price per year of OnePlus is 7 million. But if we see the market capital of Xiaomi and OnePlus, we can see market capital of Xiaomi is around 60.630 million, and OnePlus is only 12.5 billion, which is and market price of OnePlus is very poor. If we compare between five companies, we can see OnePlus is very lagging behind. Thank you. And my next slide will describe Tuba.
So I am Tuba. My previous group member has already described the technical analysis of the 5 phone companies. Based on our information, we can do the comparison among those phone companies. Focusing on the number of share, the best one is Samsung and the worst one is Motorola. And focusing on the sales per year, the best one is Samsung and the worst one is OnePlus. Then again, focusing on stock price movement, the best one is Samsung and worst one is OnePlus. But if we focus on market capital among all of these companies, Apple is the most advanced company. Next, our last and most important part, recommendation. Before recommend any companies, let's shortly summarize what our whole topic was. So, we already discussed the major parts of the presentation. Overall, what we talked about is fundamental analysis, which is the process of examining the social, political, and economic indicators that might affect the price and performance of a financial asset. As we know, it has 3 parts. Economic analysis shows the growth prospect of the entire economy. And according to research, Bangladesh GDP growth is better than any other South Asian country. Industry analysis shows which industry is more profitable, and we choose to discuss about telecommunication industry because our country's vision Digital Bangladesh has brought impressive growth in the telecommunication sector. Company analysis shows which company is most attractive, and we work on Apple, Samsung, Motorola, OnePlus, and Xiaomi. Then we know technical analysis is an analysis methodology for forecasting the direction of prices through the study of past market data, primarily price and volume. After Undrila discuss about technical analysis of these companies, we can clearly see that the Samsung company is doing really well. So if we want to recommend, we know a steady line of profit and global reach are the key strength of any company. As per the documentaries, we can assure that in the mobile business, Samsung is leading trends in the global mobile market. The main competitor of Samsung is Apple. Though Apple has more capital and better impression on market, but Samsung has more sales than Apple and other brands because Apple doesn't providing cheaper product and it's become the strength of Samsung. But Samsung should pay attention to its competitors and customer base to stay in the race. And as price plays an vital role in the sales, Samsung and Xiaomi, both companies, maintaining the quality of the products and keeping the price balance with it, it is necessary to meet the global reach. So what we wanted to share, according to all fundamental and technical analysis, our group vote mainly goes for Samsung. So we recommend Samsung. That's the end of our presentation. I hope you all enjoy it. Thank you for your attention. Thank you very much.